Let's level up your design game by making an awesome spiral shape, created from just one simple shape. First, we draw a perfect circle by holding Alt and Shift together while dragging. This keeps our circle perfectly round. Next, we lower the opacity of this circle to help us while positioning the duplicated one. Now make a copy of the circle by holding Alt and dragging it. Align it so that it intersects with the first circle. Using the Shape Builder tool, we select the intersecting parts and remove the extra areas, leaving us with a unique leaf-like shape. Now we duplicate this leaf shape, resize it, and use the Shape Builder tool again to remove the extra parts. This step refines our base shape. Make another duplicate of this refined shape by holding Alt and dragging it below the original one. Make sure to hold Shift while dragging to keep it aligned horizontally. Right-click and reflect the shape horizontally. Select both shapes and use the Rotate tool. Press Alt and click in the middle of the two shapes to set the rotation point. Enter the angle of rotation you want and hit Copy. To create the spiral effect, press Ctrl+D to repeat the last action and keep duplicating the shapes around the rotation point. Keep going until you get a full circle. Now group all these shapes and apply the transform effect. Set the rotation to 97 degrees. Adjust the horizontal and vertical scale to around 92%. Adjust the number of copies and the values until you're happy with the result. After we finish, we select the group and go to Object, then Expand, so that we can color the shapes as we like. Now let's add some color. Select all the shapes and apply a gradient. I'm going with a dark purple to light blue gradient. To create a nice color transition from the center to the edges. After coloring, use the Recolor Artwork tool to tweak the saturation and contrast, making the colors pop and stand out against a white background. And there you have it, a beautiful spiral shape created from a simple leaf-like base shape, complete with gradient colors and a transforming effect. Try it out and let me know how it goes in the comments below.